Welcome back to Island Life Live. The one thing that shelters your family and that you never ever want to skimp on, its construction and maintenance, is the roof of your home or business.
And here to tell us why it's not a good idea to cut corners when it comes to your roof is Jon Chun. He's the lead customer success manager for Kapili Solar Roofing. Mahalo for joining us, brah.
Thank you guys for having us.
Hey, before we get into the roofing, like doing a shout out to your ohana.
Yeah, my kid's watching, so hi girls, love you guys, hi babe.
All right.
I love that.
Thank you guys.
All right, John, we understand that there's two things to keep in mind here when you hiring a company to do the roof is the license and the insurance, right?
Yes.
What guarantees or benefits come with a licensed insured roofing contractor?
Well, having a licensed and insured contractor kind of saves the homeowners a lot. So they make sure that they're properly trained, they're following safety protocols, safety procedures, building codes as well. So that ensures that the roofer is knowledgeable and they're, basically following everything to make sure that the home is safe for families, right? Businesses as well. Yeah. And then insurance as well. They want to make sure that the company's insured. If the company's not insured, there's accidents, property damages. That gives the homeowners risk. And just poses a lot of risk to the homeowners, and they would have to be liable for the damages, right? So they can't go after them for their insurance and everything.
Well, we see, watching this video here, we see you guys tying off,
yes,
making sure that you guys are safe. So these are all good signs when we see video like this.
Yeah. Absolutely, and this is the kind of video we always want to see, no matter what, right?
Yeah.
Even when it's not on TV.
Yeah.
It's important because I'm sure you've probably seen your fair share of horror stories. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Especially when I imagine with you folks being a licensed insurance, insurance carried contractor for roofing projects, plenty of people that you guys have had to go and help, and because the roofs were done badly the first time around.
Yes, and we kind of just provide knowledge for homeowners. Whether it's with Kapili or someone that they feel comfortable with, you just want to make sure that it's done properly. You're spending the money, this is to protect your family, protect your business. You want to make sure it's done properly, everybody's safe, not only just the workers themselves, but for the family. You don't want to risk everything just to save a few bucks.
I got you.
And family is important. You mentioned you have 6 kids.
Yes.
And your honey, so yeah, family definitely important. And you guys locally owned, family operated company as well. So it's all about ohana. Tell us how Kapili Solar Roofing builds peace of mind one roof at a time.
Well, we want to make sure we are definitely licensed, we're insured, and we want to be able to provide that to homeowners, not only just to earn business, but we want to make sure that for the future we're there, right? To make sure that we're there to service them for the future, make sure that we give them a peace of mind. We take a lot of pride on customer service, and that's the way we can provide it. We make sure that we're taking care of them, taking care of our employees, and just basically providing the best way for these homeowners to make sure that their home is safe, their roof is safe, and they're protected.
Smart. And this is, of course, we're getting into our wet and rainy season. It makes sense for us to have somebody like you to come join us. And I also imagine how important it is because you folks came and you guys are talking about license and insurance, that there's probably a lot of guys out there that are not doing it the right way. Yeah,
they're not. And a lot of them don't know as well. They've been doing it for years. And a lot of times, things will work out. But there's always that chance that something doesn't work out, an incident happens, and then homeowners are liable. You're already paying a lot to get everything done. Now you gotta pay for incidents, property damage, or possibly having to redo your roof because corners were cut. So the training is a really big thing, making sure that the contractor is trained properly, making sure they're certified for the installation of that particular material. And that's basically what we do. Our guys do all the safety training in-house. We have safety guys come in every now and then to make sure our guys are, following procedures correctly. If there's anything updated, that they make sure that they're trained on that. Product training, we do this every year. Just things are, getting newer and newer.
You guys are always leveling up, right?
Yes.
Awesome. We do have information here because I like all you guys already. I mean, we learned so much from Brother John over here. If you want to, again, as Lena Girl mentioned, we're getting into rainy season. If you're leaking, your roof is leaking, give them a call or check out their website, kapiliroof.com. Jon Chun is the lead customer success manager at Kapili Solar Roofing. Thank you again for coming in, brother.
Thank you, brother.
All right, we're going to shift our attention once again to our Yuso Aka mic